Presenting the 2004 Toyota 4Runner. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: passenger vanity mirror, climate control, variable speed intermittent wipers, privacy glass, child safety locks, stability control, front reading lamps, and fog lamps. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.